you can see on the screen, this is the question number 7 of exercise 4.3 for the class 10. So let me read the question. The difference of the square of two number is 180. So here if we are guessing one number as x and another number as y, and if we are doing square of it and we are taking difference of it, and that will be equals to what? 180. So you will ask me that how it is possible that this is in one variable only, how quadratic equation can be in two variable. बट अगर हमें ऐसे गैस नहीं करना है तो फिर हमें दूसरा स्टेटमेंट रीड करना पड़ेगा, वो होगा द स्क्वायर ऑफ द स्मॉलर नंबर इज 8 टाइम्स द लार्जर नंबर. तो यहाँ का हमें गैस करना पड़ेगा लेट द लार्जर नंबर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x. सो यहाँ पे आएगा लेट द स्मॉलर number that will be in the form of what. So यहाँ पे होगा let the larger number in the form of x. तो यहाँ पे फिर हमें लिखना पड़ेगा let the square of larger number, क्योंकि यहाँ क्या दिया है the square of the smaller number, यानी कि ये जो smaller number का square है is 8 times the larger number. ठीक है, यानी अगर हम यहाँ कुछ भी गैस कर रहे हैं वो डायरेक्टली y के फॉर्म में नहीं, वो x में ही कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो हियर वी विल गैस इट लेट द स्क्वायर ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर दैट वी हैव गेस्ड एज y स्क्वायर, एंड दैट विल बिकम व्हाट, दैट विल बिकम 8 टाइम्स ऑफ द लार्जर नंबर. क्योंकि यहाँ दिया है स्मॉलर नंबर इज, जो कि स्मॉलर नंबर जो भी है वो 8 टाइम्स है किससे, लार्जर नंबर से. तो हमने 8x लिख दिया. Now we have to substitute this value over here, means on the place of x square will remain, but on the place of y square what we have to write? We have to write 8x, and that is equals to 180. So now here we have to take this 180 over here, so it will become minus 180, and that is equals to 0. So now we have to use any method. So I will use splitting the middle term q, because when I am taking 180 over here, 3 9s are, let me write over here. So here I have to take factors of it, ताकि माइनस करके माइनस 8 आए. तो सिंपली आई एम गेटिंग व्हाट, 18 10s are 180, and 18 minus 10, 8 will remain, and if I am keeping it minus, so this I have to keep plus, so it will become minus. Means on the place of minus 8x I can write that is 18x plus 10x, and this minus 180, and that is equals to 0. Now x let me take common, so it will become x minus 18. Let me take 10 common, so it will become x minus 18, and that is equals to 0. Now x minus 18 I am keeping as it is, and in another bracket I will write x plus 10, and that is equals to 0. Now here as you can see that we got two brackets. Let us substitute with 0. So let us compare it with 0. So x equals to 18 we are getting, and if I am comparing x is equals to 10 with 0, x is equals to minus 10 I am getting. So here we got the solution of it as you can see on the screen, but this is not end of the question, because अब उन्होंने पूछा है find the two numbers. Means if I am substituting that larger number, so यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे so the larger number that is in the form of x, that is if we are taking 18, so the smaller number will be, so smaller number will be that is in the form of 8x, so it will become 18 into 8, so here you can write 144, that is the value of y square. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने गैस किया है कि स्मॉलर नंबर y स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में है, एंड इट इज एक्चुअली 8x, और x का जो वैल्यू मिल रहा है दैट वी हैव सब्स्टिट्यूट. So here we have to take root both the sides. So here y will become, so it is 12 square, so it will become 12. So यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर है the larger number is 18, smaller number will be 12. And if you are substituting minus 10 over here, it will become minus 80 over here, and negative number we can't take out square of it. So better we will write over here negative values we cannot take. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood that what you have to write and how you have to write. So this is the end of this question. Reading the question, that is the question number 11 of our textbook. Exercise 4.3. Sum of the areas of the two square is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meters, find the side of the two square. Means what kind of concept is given over here कि यहाँ पे एक स्क्वायर है और यहाँ पे एक स्क्वायर है और अगर उनके पेरीमीटर का डिफरेंस दिया है तो if the difference of their perimeter is 24, find the side of two squares. So it means one square is larger and another is smaller. क्यों? क्योंकि दोनों इक्वल होते हैं तो दोनों का पेरीमीटर सेम आता है. यानी अगर इसकी साइड 4 है तो इसकी साइड 4 होती तो ये भी 4 4 4 4 होता. तो अगर इसका पेरीमीटर 4 4 का 24 होता तो उसका भी 24 आता. तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करते तो हमारा आंसर 0 आता. अंडरस्टूड. सो इट मस्ट बी देयर कि उन्होंने पेरीमीटर का डिफरेंस दिया है. सो वन इज लार्जर एंड वन इज स्मॉलर. नाउ दैट इज डिपेंड ऑन यू कि ये पूरे इक्वेशन को x के फॉर्म में लाना है या y के फॉर्म में. नो कंपल्सन इज ओवर हियर. सो लेट मी डू इट. सी, सो इफ आई एम गेसिंग द साइड ऑफ द लार्जर square is x and the smaller as y. So what will happen over here? So यहाँ पे हम guess कर रहे हैं. Let the side of larger square is x and let the side of smaller square, that is in the form of y. If you want to write in meter, you can write over here, it is in meter. So अब क्या दिया है? So if the difference of their perimeter is 24, okay. So here we have to introduce two things. Sum, पहले तो हमें एरिया लिखना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे लिख देंगे एरिया ऑफ लार्जर square, that will be in the form of L into A into A means x square, and area of smaller square, that will be in the form of y square. Then we have to write perimeter of it. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे perimeter of larger square, that will be in the form of 4x. क्योंकि sum of all side तो 4 साइड है, 4 साइड का सम यानी कि x plus x plus x plus x plus x, तो 4x आ जाएगा. So here we have written that 4x, and the perimeter of smaller square, that will be in the form of 4y. So जो भी स्टेटमेंट है वो मैंने यहाँ फॉर्म कर दिए हैं. Now whatever is useful to us we will take it. So let me write the first statement. Sum of the areas of the two square. तो उनके एरिया जो है उनका सम. तो यहाँ पे मैं स्टेटमेंट डालूंगी सम ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू स्क्वायर. राइट. सो ये दो एरिया थे x स्क्वायर और y स्क्वायर. अगर हम उनका सम कर रहे हैं so we are getting 468. So this will be our first statement that will be utilized further on, but let me keep it over here. अब value of equation number 2 in 1. तो यहाँ पे 1 में रखेंगे तो x के प्लेस पे हमें लिखना है that is 6 plus y whole square plus y square I'm keeping as it is and that is 468. I hope you got all my points. Now let us open it. So we are getting 6 square that will be 36 plus 2a. So 6 2s are 12y plus y square and that is equal to 468. So here we are getting 2y square plus 12y and 36. So 36 is plus, but if I am taking this side, so it will become minus 468. So let us subtract it. So अगर हम उसे subtract भी कर रहे हैं, so we are getting, let us subtract 468 minus 36. So 8 minus 6 we are getting 3. So here I am getting minus 432 and that is equal to 0. सब में मुझे 2 दिख रहा है. So let me take 2 common. So what kind of equation I am getting? If we are taking common, so it will become 2 common. So it will become y square plus 12y minus 2 1 6 and that is equal to 0. So 6 2 that. So here we got y square plus 6y minus 2 1 6. So let me take, if I am taking this 0 down, it will become 0. तो हमारा इक्वेशन है y square plus 6y minus 2 1 6 and that is equal to 2 1 6 के ऐसे फैक्टर निकालो कि माइनस करके ही 6 आए. So that I am taking that it will become this. How? So if you are doing taking factors of it, एक subtraction करके लाना है. So if I am subtracting and plus 6y लाना है, so let me take it plus and this one as minus. Let us take common from it. So y we are taking common from it. So here will remain y plus 18 and if I am taking minus 12 common, so y plus 18 will remain over here. If two brackets are same, let us write it as ones and in another bracket we will write y minus 12. If we are comparing with 0 plus 18 को अगर हम 0 के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे तो y का एक वैल्यू मिलेगा that will be minus 18 and y minus 12 को अगर हम 0 के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं so the value of y we will get will be plus 12. So here we got two values of y, but as we know that it is side, so we can't take it negative. So here we will consider the positive side, that is 12, and we will form the statement. So here let me form the statement. What it will be? So here we will write that the y is equal to 12 if we are taking. So what kind of, find the side of 2 square. So अगर हम यहाँ पे y 12 रखेंगे in equation number 2, so what kind of x I am getting, that I have to find because that was our main question. So let me write somewhere over here. If I am rubbing something and I am writing, please note it down. I am writing over here that, so here negative value we can't take because side cannot be negative. So here I will write that side cannot be negative. Side cannot be negative. So we will consider that y is equal to 12. So if I am substituting that value in this y equation number 2, so I will write that substitute value of y in equation number 2. So x I will get that is 6 plus y and that x is equal to 6 plus 12. So x I will get as plus 18. So here the end of the question. Here at last we will write that smaller side we got as 12 and the larger side we got as 18.